Yeah, hello, hi everyone. Very good news. Eamcet classes are started. I hope you feel very well and thank you very much watching our classes. Please subscribe. You are newly watching. If you already subscribed, already are a viewer, you know what are the ways of our teaching. Okay, for Eamcet classes, more Eamcet classes, please download Model Maths app from Play Store to get each and every Eamcet class for both TS and AP. So now the first chapter, complex number introduction. Generally we know what is complex number means. It is a Z. Okay, some little bit information I will give you. I will give the introduction. Then after I will take what are the model questions, what are the previous questions, what is the most important things in the first. Because of in the beginning we have to finish the what are the important things. Then after next category. So this is the good way to complete within less time to syllabus for the exam. Yeah, so complex number means it is a Z. It is obviously like a plus ib, or you can write x plus iy. Here what is I means? I is a imaginary number, I square value is -1. A is called what? Real part. B is called what? Imaginary part of Z. Okay, so some examples. Z equal 2 plus 4i, or Z equal -2 minus 4i, plus 2 minus 3i, 1 by 2 plus 3i, 1 minus 2 minus 3i, that we have learned in the chapter. So here what I am saying, how to addition of complex numbers. That means very simple, real part with real part, imaginary part, imaginary part. For example, 2 plus 4i plus -2 minus or -2 plus 3i is equal to what? 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, I am taking another number. 2 minus 5, -3. So if you write -2 also no problem, you will get 0, and remaining in terms of I you get, that is purely imaginary, that is also belongs to complex number. 2 minus 5, -3. 4i plus 3i, 7i. Okay, subtraction. 2 plus 4i minus of -5 plus 3i. 2 minus of minus plus 5. Okay, 2 plus 4i minus to minus plus 5, -2 plus minus 3i. So now 2 plus 5 is 7, 4i minus 3i is 3i, 1i. Okay, in this way we can do the subtraction. Next, similarly multiplication, element with element with. So in division, how to do division? So in the division, definitely we should rationalizing immediately. So that is -5 minus 3i by -5 minus 3i. So multiply, you will get answer. So this is the complex numbers we can add, we can subtract, we can multiply, we can division. So next to the important concept is, okay, can I complete this? Okay, see how the process will be done. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, numerator 2 into -5 minus 10, 2 into minus 3i minus 6i, plus 4i into -5 minus 20i, minus 4 into -3 minus 12i square. Okay, this becomes minus 10 minus 6i, minus 6i minus 20i becomes minus 26i, I square value -1, -1 into -12 plus 12, plus 12 I am writing, -5 whole square is 25, 3 square is 9, I square is -1. So -1 into -9 plus 9 plus 25, 34, minus 10 plus 12 is 2, minus 26i. So that means simply we can write 2 by 34 minus 26 by 34i. So this is the way of doing the divisions of the complex numbers. Okay, so next to very most important concept, integral power of I. What is the next concept? Very most important concept, integral power of I. Means we know what is I square, we know what is I cube, we know what is I power 4, even I power 5, I power 6, so on. So some things we can say, but can you say what is I power some 2000, I power some 3000, I power some 1569, what is value? Okay, I'll tell you one technique. First thing is, I power 1 means I only, it's very clear. I power 2 means that is -1. I power 3 means minus I, am I right? This is also I don't know. I square, this is a fixed, this is a fixed. I cube means minus I, how? I cube can be written as I square into I. I square is minus 1 into I. This is minus I. Okay. I cube is minus I. Next, I power 4 is equal 1. Because of I power 4 means I square into I square, that is 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, that is 1. Okay. So complete. Next, what is I power 5? What is I power 5? I power 5 means I power 4 into I. What is value? 1 into I. Okay. So I power 5 also we are getting I. Next, I power 6. What is I power 6? I power 4 into I square. Very good. 1 into minus 1. So minus 1 we are getting. I power 7. Also similarly. I power 4 into I power 3. I power 4 into I power 3. Or I power 2 into I power 1. So 1 minus 1 I. So what is answer? Minus I. Okay. I power 7 means also minus I. Next, I power 8 means I power 4 into I power 4. We get 1. So however I power anything, we have only 4 chances, 4 options. Either I or minus 1 or minus I or 1. Similarly, what is I power 9? In this way, I power 10, I power 11, I power 12. So in this way, you can continue. Sir, if it is a big number, how can you write in this way? Up to there, shall we write? No need to write. I told you in the beginning, I will tell you a technique. Definitely here, I will tell you. Okay. If you know, that's very good. If you don't know, listen. Even if you know also, listen. So this is 4 multiple. Am I right? This is 4 multiple. So if it is 4 multiple, the answer is 1. Answer is 1. But it is not 4 multiple. Yeah. This is 4 to the 8. Yeah. 4 multiple, 4 to the 8, remainder is 3. Here 4 multiple, remainder is 2. Here 4 multiple, 4 to the 8 plus 1. So if the number is 4 multiple and 1 is the remainder, this will be remainder. So I will give you one example. Okay, you just keep it. For example, one number is I power 2000. Okay. So this is becomes 4 into 500. Am I right? So it becomes 4n. What is the answer? 1. Or otherwise, I power 4 whole power 500. Can we write? So 1 into 500 becomes what? 1. So that's why I am saying if it is a 4 multiple, we can write 1 answer. Okay, the power is 4 multiple, we can write 1. If it is I power some 236. Okay, 236 means divisible by 4. 4 5 ja 20, 36, 4 9 ja 36. Oh, this is also I power 4 into 59. So what is the answer? Yes, I power 4 whole power 59. So 1 power 59 is 1. Okay, by doing some things, if you practice, you can write directly answer. Okay, can I remove this? I will take another example. I power 2001 I am taking. So this means I power 2000 plus 1. This means I power 2000 into I power 1. What is the answer? This will be 1 into I. Or otherwise, if you divide this 2001 by 4 500 ja 2000, 1 is the remainder. 1 is remainder, answer will be 1 is remainder, answer will be I. If 1 is remainder, answer will be I. Otherwise, you can simplify in this way. So 2 ways I am saying. One is generally you write I power 4 power something into plus 1 or plus 2. Second category is you just divide the number by 4. See the remainder. What is the remainder? When the remainder is 1, answer is I. When the remainder is 2, answer is minus 1. When the remainder is 3, answer is minus I. When the remainder is 0, answer is 1. This is the you have to remember. Are you clear? Okay. If you have any doubts, please watch again. So here I am taking simple technique. I power 2002 means I power 2000 plus 2 becomes, this is 1, we get I square. I square means minus 1. Suppose I want I power 395. So 395 in 4 table. 4 9 ja 36, 35, 4 8 ja 32. Means 3 we are getting. Means I power 3 is remaining. What is I power 3 value? Minus I. Yeah. Suppose I power 49567. So 49567 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4. Sorry, 4 2 ja 8. 4 3 ja 12. Okay. 4 9 ja 36. 7 4 1 ja 4. Means 3 is the remainder. 3 remainder means we get I power 3. Yeah. I power 3 means what? Oh, again I power 3 means I square into I minus I. Okay. So this is the integral power of I. What is this? Integral power of I. So integral power of I. Write a heading and make a table. So this is completely rough work you do in the right side of your page, but this is the most important thing. I hope you understand. Whenever the I power is given, you just write I power, you divide with 4. What is the remainder? Remainder is the power of I. Remainder is the power of I. Remainder is the power of I. Here 0 means nothing but 4 only, because of we divide with 4. So you will get the answer. I power 1 I. I square means minus 1. I cube means minus I. I power 0 means I power 4 nothing but 1. Okay. So let us take one question. Yeah, one question based on I. So the concept based on integral power of I. So dear friends, this concept is very most important. So based on integral power of I, we can see 99% we can see one question in the exam. Okay, this is a simple topic. So that's why I am saying, what are the simple things, what are the easiest things, what are the important things. First we have to cover those things. Okay, similarly we can complete our topic by doing step by step. Yeah, simplify I power 50 plus I 2 into I power 60 plus 3 into I power 100. This is the question. Here what is power 50? 50 means by dividing 4, 4 1 ja 4, 10, 4 2 ja 8, means 2 is the remainder. So I power 50 means simply we can write I power 2. Yeah, I power 50 means we can write I power 2. So this is 60 means it is a 4 multiple, am I right? 4 multiples. So directly we can write 1. Why we can write? This is a 4 multiple. If it is 4 multiple, answer is 1 plus 3 into. Here also I power 100 means, is it a 4 multiple? 425 is 100. So we can write, if it is a 4 multiple, the power is 4 multiple, write 1. So that's it. I square means minus 1 plus 2 1 ja 2 plus 3 1 ja 3. 3 to 5 minus 1, 4 is the answer. Got it? Very simple. Yeah. Okay, next question. 1 plus I whole power 2022 by 1 minus I 2020. Here, can I write 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power 2020 into 1 plus I whole power 2? Is anything wrong? So this is the power 2022. It is written as 2020 into 2. And denominator is as it is. So now, to simplify this, what is the next step? Yeah, very good. Just now I have to tell you, even you know, because of in second year you have done very good job. If you watch our videos, these are very simple. So no problem, nothing to worry. Easily you can solve. So here rationalizing with 1 plus I by 1 minus I, rationalized with, here minus is there. So rationalizing with 1 plus I by 1 plus I whole power 2020 into 1 plus I whole square. Now 1 minus I into 1 plus I means 1 square minus I square whole power 2020 into 1 plus I whole square means, what is 1 plus I whole square? Here I am doing rough work. 1 square plus I square plus 2I. 1 square is 1, I square is minus 1 plus 2I. 1 minus 1. What is the answer? 2I. So here also 1 plus I into 1 plus I, we get 2I. Here also 1 plus I whole square means 2I. So 2i power 2020, 1 square, I square value is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, so becomes 2. 2i by 2 power 2020 into 2i. So here 2 to cancel, I power 2020 into 2i, I power 2020 into 2i. What is I power 2020 answer? Yes, very good. This is the 4 multiple. By observing you can say immediately 4 5 is 0, 4 5 is. So answer is, if it is 4 multiple, the power is 4 multiple, answer is 1 and into 2i. So 1 into 2i, answer is 2i. So very simple. So no confusion. Just to divide the power with 4. So if it is perfectly 4 multiple, answer is 1. If it is perfectly 4 multiple, answer is 1. No sir, remainder is 1 is there, you write I power 1. Remainder is 2 is there, I square write down. Then after you can know what is I square is minus 1. Remainder is 3, you can write I power 3. After you can know I power 3. Okay, so one more example I am taking. Next, one more question. The least value of n such that, okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Yeah, I hope it is very clear. Next, what is the least value of n such that 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n is equal to 1? Okay, yeah, exactly how very important for 2 marks in your complex number. Okay, what is the value of n? What is the least value of n? I am writing question. What is the least value of n such that 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n equal to 1? Okay, so this is a given statement. You simplify this. It is written as 1 plus I by 1 minus I into 1 plus I by 1 plus I power n equal to 1. So numerator 1 plus I into 1 plus I, that is 1 plus I whole square, that is 2i. A minus b into a plus b becomes 2, we are getting power n equal to 1. So 2 to cancel, I power n equal to 1. Actually the options are option A 4, option B 8, option C 9, option D 12. So if you write 4, it satisfies I power 4 equal to 1. If you write 8 also, it satisfies. If you write 9, it doesn't satisfy. If you write 12, it satisfies. But what is the answer? Yes, very good. What is the least value of n? So in this n value here, it may be 4, 8, 12, 16, so on. So in this, what is the least value? 4. So answer is option A. Yeah. So these are the few questions, friends. In the next part, I will make another video. So I hope please you download app. Okay, so you do not get all the classes in the YouTube. Whoever download my app, okay, in there you can get the all classes of Eamcet. So for after downloading app, you see here okay, you take the app, by using app you can get all the classes. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can put in comment box. I will clarify your doubts. Then after, I will make one more video, the next part 2 of complex numbers based on modulus of a function. Okay, so thank you very much.